The V-22 Osprey, a tiltrotor aircraft developed by Bell Helicopter and Boeing, has been a revolutionary addition to military aviation. Capable of both vertical takeoff and landing, VTOL, and fixed-wing flight, it offers unmatched flexibility. However, it has also faced significant safety concerns, leading to multiple crashes since its introduction. Several factors contribute to the V-22 Osprey's repeated accidents, including mechanical failures, design complexities, and pilot error. Mechanical failures. A major cause of crashes has been mechanical issues, especially with the aircraft's complex propulsion system. The Osprey's tiltrotor design involves large, powerful rotors that rotate between helicopter and airplane configurations. The system is intricate and places stress on components, leading to wear and failure over time. One of the most notable failures was in 2023 when a metal gear in the aircraft's gearbox failed, causing a loss of power during flight and resulting in a crash in Japan. Additionally, recurring issues with the drive system have caused several fatal accidents. Design challenges. The Osprey's hybrid design, combining features of both helicopters and fixed-wing planes, presents unique challenges. Transitioning between flight modes puts a strain on the aircraft's components, especially the engines and rotors. This makes the Osprey more vulnerable to instability during critical transitions between hovering and forward flight. The design, while highly innovative, also leads to aerodynamic problems that can contribute to crashes if not carefully managed. Pilot error and training. Pilot error is another contributing factor. Flying the Osprey requires specialized training due to its unique flight characteristics. In some cases, pilots have struggled with the complex systems during critical flight phases, leading to accidents. Lack of proper training and experience, particularly in emergency situations, has been cited as a factor in several crashes. Military pilots need to be highly proficient in managing both helicopter-like and airplane-like flight, and inadequate preparation can increase the risk of failure. Safety and maintenance issues. The Osprey's maintenance and safety culture have also been under scrutiny. The complexity of the aircraft requires consistent and thorough maintenance, yet in some instances, rushed operations or oversight have contributed to safety lapses. A culture of risk-taking in certain units, combined with high operational demands, has sometimes led to accidents. Conclusion. In conclusion, while the V-22 Osprey is an impressive aircraft, its design and operational challenges have led to a number of crashes over the years. Mechanical failures, the complexity of its tiltrotor design, pilot errors, and maintenance issues have all played a part in these incidents. Despite this, the Osprey remains a valuable asset for military forces worldwide, and efforts continue to improve its safety and reliability.